Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Wells Fargo app update stuck on waiting and not showing in the App Store or failing every time it tries to download? Running an old version causes errors and crashes. Here's how to force it through. First of all, open the App Store and then tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down past your account information and pull down on the screen to force refresh the update list. Look for Wells Fargo Mobile in the app and in the list and tap update if you see it. If the update is stuck on waiting or downloading and the progress bar isn't moving, go to your home screen, tap and hold the Wells Fargo icon and then tap pause download. Then tap it again and tap resume download. This jolt kick starts a frozen download. If the update keeps failing, check your iPhone storage. Go to your settings app, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and make sure you have at least 1 GB free. Updates silently fall when storage is too full. Free up space first, then go back and retry the updates. Switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data in settings before retrying can also help if the App Store connection is low. So all you've got to do is go to your app store, go to profile picture, pull to refresh, pause and resume if stuck, free storage in settings, try